Your first-party data is your most valuable asset, but for many marketers, putting that data to work has been a moonshot. Until now. Today on the Resource Desk, 3 ways our new all-in-one CRM data solution, Galileo, makes onboarding, activating, and scaling your first-party audiences so easy. But first, why Galileo? And why now? It's simple. Because the internet is changing, and the identifiers that will withstand that change are deterministic, email, and phone number based. To take advantage of this shift, advertisers need a seamless and secure way to activate their CRM data and more accurately match and measure it across publishers, channels, and devices. Other proposed solutions can't deliver on that need. Instead, creating an internet of mini walled gardens and more black box measurement. With Galileo, the interoperability of Unified ID 2.0 helps advertisers match their data easily and execute truly omni-channel campaigns. So, why is Galileo better? 3 reasons. 1. Onboard your first-party data from anywhere. With Galileo, you can upload your CRM data directly into our platform, connect to a cloud storage provider via our API, or push audience segments into the trade desk from a CDP or cleanroom. Once imported, you can begin matching to audiences instantly using Unified ID 2.0 or other deterministic IDs. 2. Extend your reach across the open internet. Unlike siloed identity solutions, Galileo lets you match audiences across publishers, platforms, devices, and channels, including connected TV, all with a single secure identifier. That means you can control frequency across the open internet. 3. Put optimization on autopilot. Using a cleanroom for measurement? Just push your audiences back into our platform to continuously reactivate your data and refine your strategy. Or tap into our marketplace of Unified ID 2.0 partners to build on your current data set, discover new audiences, and measure what matters to you. So, ready to discover everything your data can do for you? Learn more at thetradedesk.com/Galileo. See you next time.